let us now move on to our other speaker. And she is a dynamic personality. She is a model of today's woman. We'll have, uh, we'll just talk to her. Sorry. We'll just give the platform to her and allow her to express her thoughts to us. Anushka, I think we have to invite Charul Malik, madam, to this platform.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I am.
Yes, yes,
So, to
okay.
kindle the passion for acting and performing arts in entertainment media calls for a special quality and a prolonged patience. The actress should efficiently portray her role and convincingly connect with the audience with her acting. While our next speaker does not lack for anything, she's graceful, she's vivacious, and she's a complete entertainer, one of the most celebrated in the entertainment world. With immense pride, I welcome Charul Malik, an executive editor and a lively model of free spirit. She was awarded with the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award. She believes in doing the ordinary with extraordinary enthusiasm. She worked with Aaj Tak, ABP News, and India TV on the most significant positions. She has also tried her hand in acting in a very famous TV show. So now we would like to welcome her. We would like to welcome ma'am. We're delighted to have you here and we cannot wait to hear you speak, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so very much. So it's second Women Power Summit 2021. Thanks a million for this honor. Today we are here to celebrate her. When we talk about women, the things that come to our minds are care, love, affection, strength, and fire. Being from the television industry, I have seen the transformation of women characters from being oppressed to a fiercely ambitious women. So this is an example of empowerment in itself. The woman is the key factor that drives societal change by breaking all the stereotypes. From घर की लड़कियां बाहर नहीं जा सकती हैं to लड़कियां आज fighter jet उड़ा रही हैं. So we all have fought a long battle and we have come a long way. But what's saddening is to watch some from our section exploiting the pride. Women empowerment is to celebrate the little joys and success and not bash the other gender in the name of feminism. It's about time we collectively correct the definition of feminism to being positive and progressive, and I'm pretty optimistic about it. As a woman and a TV celebrity, I have been driving a women centric show for more than a decade. Today, TV shows highlight themes that portray strong women. What makes us more special is how we manage work house balance. So, from the sets to the kitchen, we are handling everything with a lot of grace. Many people ask me about the challenges that I face being a woman in media as an executive editor and as an anchor. I end up saying, ask men how challenged they feel when they see women working way better than them. And I bet they still don't know so far, रसोड़े में कौन था.
This was a very, very famous meme that we went ahead with. And the way that the way that you've actually linked it is a wonderful thing. I could not keep my mic mute and just silently listen. This was
Thank you
wonderful.
so much. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. So, ma'am, as an anchor, as somebody who's trying to make her life here, I would just wanted to actually ask you, since you've already talked about it, that women are behaving better and achieving more than how men are achieving at this moment. What has been an experience in going into the a zone which has totally been men centric, like acting is something that has been completely men centric, and women are always associated with those cruel dadimas and bahus and sasus. There are where they're stereotyped in some other way altogether. Either they're so cruel, so evil, so negative, or either they're completely bechari.
Hmm.
I cannot see a portrayal of a strong woman who is not a bechari on the television serial. So what do you feel about that? How does that actually affect the mindsets of the people who are watching these TV shows every day?
Okay, that's a very good question. But I think men are rather not being projected in a good way because, we have a lot of shows that are women centric. Like if we talk about a show called Saath Nibhana Sathiya, where we heard this popular dialogue coming from, Rasode mein kaun tha?
Mhm.
So there was a Kokila Modi, a very dominating Sasuma who used to dominate all the bahus, who used to run the house. and somewhere she was the key member of the family and the key actor of that particular show. Because of that specific role, that show pulled on for more than 8 to 9 years. So I think women are no more becharis portrayed in the shows anymore. I don't think so. I think men, it's rather the other way around. Because अब जो लड़के लोग हैं, जो आदमी लोग हैं, जो मेल कैरेक्टर्स हैं, वो बहुत इनसिक्योर रहते हैं. They are like, हमारा रोल कहीं कट शॉर्ट ना कर दें. Because women when they play their role, जिसमें नागिन की भी बात करते हैं, नागिन कभी बेचारी नहीं हो सकती. नागिन वाज अ नंबर 1 शो, एकता कपूर ने प्रोड्यूस किया था वो शो. So the new season is also there. So I think I don't connect. ये बहुत पहले की हम बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी वाले जमाने की. अब तो times have changed. अब मुझे लगता है women are giving a tough competition to men. उल्टा अब आदमी लोग बहुत ज्यादा इनसिक्योर रहते हैं कि उनको ये नहीं पता होता हमारा ट्रैक कब खत्म हो जाए, कब किसी एक नई कोई कैरेक्टर आ जाए सामने, भले ही सास हो या बहू हो या whatsoever. So I don't think so कि ऐसा अब है. अब मुझे आदमी लोग बेचारे लगते हैं कई बार, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई बार.
So that's the way how society works. I think one of the gender has to get subdued so the other one can rise up, or what?
Yeah.
Should we take it like that? Is it
Yes.
is it
Yes.
something that's how it's working, right?
Hmm.
So they are going to at least subdue one so that the other one can rise up and be the stronger one.
Yeah. And आज मैं
Stronger.
एक कविता शेयर की है. वुमेन डे पे ना सब लोग वुमेन की बात करते हैं, लेकिन आज मैंने फॉर मेन उनको थैंक्स किया है. आई ट्वीटेड आल्सो, मैंने इंस्टा पे भी पोस्ट किया है. If I can just say a few lines if you want, if you have time.
Sure. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
So I have
Go
written
ahead,
this.
ma'am. Go ahead.
When we spell woman, it's woman, right? तो WO में एक हाइफन एंड मैन, इट्स वो मन की बात. हम आपसे हैं, आप हमसे हैं. आई एम सेइंग इट टू ऑल मेन. हम आपसे हैं, आप हमसे हैं. हमारी कामयाबी में आपका भी हाथ है. हम बराबर हैं, साथ साथ हैं. सो वुमेन बिलीव्स इन इक्वालिटी. ओके, कहना बहुत आसान है कि जो किया हमने अपने बलबूते किया. आपने हमेशा हमारा साथ दिया और हमें हमेशा आगे किया. जितना धन्यवाद कहें उतना होगा कम. धन्यवाद टू ऑल द मेन. धन्यवाद हमें ये बताने के लिए कि हम नहीं हैं आपसे कम. So I have thanked all the men today on International Women's Day for being there for us, for supporting us, for encouraging us, for motivating us, and we are at par. And I am telling them that आप हमसे कम नहीं है. To all the men.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. I think this is one of the most path-breaking thing about our event and about our forum. We're not putting down men just because we want to highlight women. The main reason behind having an all-women crew was not to show that we can do it without the men. Our chief mentor is a man who is a man of substance who has supported not only his wife but all of us, like all of his students, all the female students, all the male students equally. He's never treated each of one superior over the other or one
Correct.
inferior over the other. So I just believe that as a platform, what I feel like is that the correct message that we're trying to send is that we're not trying to subdue any of the gender here. We're trying to
Overpower men.
bring
Correct.
both
Correct.
of them to equal level. Exactly.
Yeah.
So the wave of radical feminism that is on, that would like that radical feminism wave that says that men have to actually subdue a little bit so that women can come up to their level, their level. They can be at an equal. Why don't we rise up to that level?
Yeah. So we are
And
at par now.
catch them where they are. Exactly. Catch them where they are. There is no point of saying that you have to come down. Or there is no point of saying that we are vulnerable, so you be vulnerable too, right?
Correct.
So,
I agree.
So,
I agree.
So I also have another question, since we have some time that we can talk to. So Siddharth sir and I were talking, and he told me that you're a wonderful entertainer, which I already have experienced, by the way, right now, because I've also seen the serial that you were working in. I have also seen you interact. So if you would like to quickly take 10 minutes and do a small, something for us, something impromptu and something that could entertain everybody on the panel also and everybody in the audience also.
Okay.
Something, anything.
So see, I host a show called Saas Bahu Suspense. It's a daily show that I produce, I host, I take care of the entire content. So it's little, I am, I look very graceful. I mean, I'm just giving you interviews. I'm like sitting with a, I'm like pretty static right now. So I don't sit like this otherwise. So when I'm doing my show, I'm like, hi, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Okay, fine. मुझे आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल चाहिए. आप मुझे क्यों देख रहे हैं? इतने ध्यान से क्यों देख रहे हैं? लगता है आज आपको आपका एंटरटेनमेंट का डोज नहीं मिला है. Okay, fine. You guys worry not. आज मैं आपको सारे सीरियल्स की सैर कराऊंगी. नागिन, अनुपमा, बिग बॉस के घर में किसके झगड़े हुए हैं. सी व्हेन आई स्पीक आई एम नॉन स्टॉप. यू विल जस्ट कीप लुकिंग एट मी. राइट. बिग बॉस के घर में कितने झगड़े हुए हैं, किसने किसको, कहाँ पे कौन सा ट्विस्ट आया, किस नागिन ने किसको डस लिया, कहाँ पर ब्रेकअप हुआ, किसका पैचअप हुआ, किसकी शादी हुई, किसका झगड़ा हुआ. So it's like a back to back. I'm like throwing things, and viewers are like they get excited when they watch me doing all that. So I sing the गाना, मैं बीच में जोक भी सुना देती हूँ. While speaking, I can suddenly start singing. So it's like a surprise package. When people look at me, they're like, "Oh God, अब ये क्या करने वाली है?" So I'm just going to say, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ woman. It's all for for all the ladies, pretty ones, all the women around. न कोई है, न कोई था, जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा. Let's support each one of us, oh woman. So हम ब्रेक के बाद, और ब्रेक के उस बार हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि कैसे अनुपमा सीरियल में आया एक बड़ा ट्विस्ट, और इसके साथ साथ हम आपको दिखाएंगे रियलिटी शोज का ताजा हाल. Stay tuned.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you, not just for the mind, but for also for the for the entertainment quotient just went really high. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Siddharth, a special thank you, because he has given me a lovely platform, and I'm really thankful to him and you guys from the bottom core of my heart. Thanks for having me. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So now I have a question for my fellow hosts.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Can we indulge in a discussion among ourselves?
Yes.
Since we've already indulged in discussions with everybody, and I think the audience has not witnessed us having a discussion, so can we quickly have a discussion as to how everybody felt and what were their major learnings from the event that we had today? So I think we should let Jeeva ma'am begin first.
Yes, dear. Yes, well, I'm happy to share my experience. It was a good experience right from morning and to until this time now. And a few things we learned. It was many speeches were really an eye opener for us, and something Her Excellency Dr. Janice Darbari came out with a fact which I have never heard all my life. She said that women are born to celebrate. They have to laugh, they have to love, they have to be joyful. That's what Charul Malik ma'am is also advocating. See, life is joyful, merriful, happy when you have a smile on your face. So that's what is she also represented in the morning session. And the last panelist, the last speaker of our evening session, Madam Charul Malik also reflected that, I think. Fine. So it started with a joyful smile, and it's going on with a joyful smile. So that way, it's really a lesson to me. And she also said that we are going to steer off that victim image. Fine, you're not going to go in for the victim image. Don't call yourself as a victim. Dr. Sunaina Singh addressed this kind of word. She said that women should not project herself as a victim image of victim. See, that is really a positive idea, where all these days we were always talking about, oh, this is what has happened, this is what is happening to me, this is what is happening in the far off place, this is what is happening on the street. People tease us, people call us by name. In house we work a lot, we don't do this. At workplace, harass this and that. But that is all negative. Fine. So she has said that don't remember that, and bring in such a kind of a good positive vibration into your life, that you will slowly become a person who will give positivity to everybody. So that is also a real eye opener from her. And these two things I think will remember. I'll remember until the end of my life. I'll try to be joyful. I'll put on a wide smile on my face. Do you like me smiling, Anuksha? You want
Yes,
me to smile always?
please smile. You look good while smiling. You got nice
Yeah.
smile.
People are afraid of my smile when they see me in the dark, and my teeth alone will be brightly reflected. And I don't
No,
use
why
any of
think
the
about
brand
people?
toothpaste.
Why should
I,
we think about people? If we love to smile, why not?
yeah, fine. and and I don't use any this branded toothpaste after this Corona COVID-19 issues. I've started using only herbal tooth powder, which
Mhm.
I myself make at home and do it. So I have become a self-reliant woman. So that way, this particular forum also has enlightened me how to make that, how to make yourself self-reliant. And by way of our people, entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs addressing us that mindset, how you have to, Kanumega ma'am's address, which says that it's all, after all, again, your mindset that makes your life what it is. And you cannot search for external forces to put all these things on you, and it is you who have to search for yourself in that. And no external thing can guide you, and it's not the vice versa. Fine. So that is also a wonderful thought. And Madam Rajlakshmi also she gave a wonderful thought. She also said that that mindset. See, right from the beginning, before I got introduced to many of our speakers, she was the first person whom I contacted, and that was on the mobile. And I talked with her one evening, and she, after talking to her, I've fallen in love with her speech. Fine, the way she talked to me, and see, that's how women encourage each other. She also said how we have to be encouraged by ourselves. We cannot look at other forces. There are people who will put slime on you, put murk on you. They will all put, they will not feel happy when you're very happy. Fine. There are certain people, because the world has beautiful flowers and briars all together. Fine. Everything is there in the world. It's not a smooth cakewalk. It's not going to be a smooth cakewalk for everyone. So that's how it is. But these ideas will stay in my mind and really make me go strong in my future walks of life. And I, being a college teacher, I can carry this message to my students. And most of my students are already into it, and they are strong women of India. And we hope that this kind of meetings on the virtual platforms or in reality will make us more stronger and will unite women of India to move forward with, in a victorious manner. And I thank all the speakers for their wonderful, innovative speeches. And now, what is your idea, Preeti? Do you feel that what I said is overdoing, or this is what you also felt?
No, ma'am, I felt the same like exact feelings, and it has been very enlightening. That's why when I was supposed to log out at 1, I'm still sitting. It's 4 a.m. In Pacific time zone where I am in, and I could not leave this meeting. It was so enlightening that I was like, every time I was thinking, after this panel, I'll log out. After this speech, I will log out. But I could not move out of this meeting at all. So all the speakers have been so,
Wonderful.
they have wonderful, and they have grabbed all the attention from us. And we I mean, I would like to announce a break for 15 minutes,
Okay.
because
Yes.
all three of us have like, and most of you also, like Rajlakshmi ma'am and Kanu
What
ma'am,
can
they have been there since the beginning of the program, so it's been a long while. So
Yeah.
let's
also
take a break of
what can be better than a day full of discussions? What can be better than a day full of discussions or
exactly
a
for
night full of
women, for
discussions?
women.
All the
And we
audience can also, drink water, charge their devices, and come back, and we will also do the same.
yes,
And we are not going to stop entertaining. We are ending this this particular session with a really high note, because Charul ma'am just entertained us
I mean, pure entertainment for the time being that she spoke. Even before, we were very, it was a very serious discussion all throughout. And then ma'am came and everything got light. Now I'm also relaxed. Everybody else is also relaxed. So what we'll do is we'll quickly come back. We'll take a 15-20 minute break. We'll quickly come back, and our audience does not have to go anywhere, because we have voices, we have speakers who are amazing. You have already seen a trailer. I would want to go Charul ma'am's way and say, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. The movie is still here. This was only a trailer, so we will very quickly come back.
सब वुमेन जानी जाती हैं बहुत सारी बातें करने के लिए, तो ये बातें खत्म नहीं होने वाली. आवर डिस्कशन इज स्टिल ऑन. हम रुक रहे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए, लेकिन असली बातों का, डिस्कशन का ट्विस्ट अभी बाकी है. Don't go away. We'll be right back. 15 minutes. So just have a glass of water or tea, whatever, and bring it for us also.
Come back.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.